keep it simple. Just use 3 fingers. Basically with 2 fingers you hold the sides, the other finger actually push down the lid, so gently just you control the gap of your lid. You try to pour the water on the sides of the gaiwan, on the side of the gaiwan, not straight away on the leaves. It's pretty simple. You just bend your wrist like that. You don't have to go like that extreme way, just a bend, relax, bend your wrist, and like in a circles on the side of the strainer you just pour down the tea. Of course you can pour it straight away. Maybe half of the dust will go through the actually strainer because it's being pushed by the weight of the stream of the tea. So what you're trying to do, the dust doesn't go like straight away on the strainer, just slides down on that side of the strainer. You preheat or the wash gaiwan, you just put a little bit water, doesn't have to be even half of it. Pour it down, then you wash your cups with the hot water. Usually for 2 people we drink, like we put 6, sometimes 7 grams. Local people, they usually do 8 to 10 grams. As I said, you just pour it gently on the side of a gaiwan, not straight away in the leaves. What you need to do first time, don't worry to fill over the gaiwan, because the leaves are big and you try to soak them up all. You can't really now to take it and pour it because the sides are so hot. So what you do is you close it like that and you tilt it on the side, let the tea come out, the hot water come out until it's in the safe kind of level. Then you can actually lift it up and pour it on the sides like that. What you can do, you can already appreciate the smell of the tea from the lid of gaiwan. You need to a little cool it down, that's why I'm kind of doing this movement to just cool it down. The other way to appreciate the smell is obviously from the pitcher. And again, what you're trying to do, you're trying to cool it down, okay? Because when it's hot, it's actually mixed. You can smell the water like a vapor, so it's not exactly what you need. You need to cool it down, and when it's cooled down a bit, then you can stick your nose in and really walk through the garden. You can see all the dust is kind of gathered in the middle, and so that's because I pour it gently on the side, so it doesn't really being pushed through. The other way to appreciate the smell of the tea and judge the actual quality of the tea is the smell from the cup, and that's why we also use the deeper ones. First infusion we don't drink, it's just used for the soak up the tea leaves, and they wash the cups. The time of the brewing is literally up to you. How do you like your tea? Do you like it strong? Do you like it weak? So you can obviously experiment with that, and of course more infusions, then later you need to extend the time of the brewing because tea is getting weaker and weaker. When you drink like the old Gong Fu tea, for example, it can be brewed like 10, 15 times, sometimes even 20 times. It all depends on the quality of the tea and the age of the tree. So I mean, this is pretty much it. So thanks for watching, and enjoy your tea.